I appreciate each of you being here today as we honor the sacrifice of U.S. Army Staff Sergeant Ryan Christian Knauss, who died while serving his country on August 26, 2021.
Ryan was born to serve in the armed forces. Ryan's first hour was a push-up in the hospital.
Like you, I was shocked to hear the news last year of a suicide bombing near Kabul's Hamid Karzai International Airport, where thousands of civilians were trying to evacuate Afghanistan.
He decided long before, when he was very young, that he wanted to be in the military.
I was devastated to learn American soldiers had been killed in that action, and that one of them, Staff Sergeant Ryan Christian Knauss, was a Tennessean.
His 8th grade year, he came to me and said, "Mom, I have to go to Gibbs High School. I have to be in the junior ROTC. I need to prepare myself and train myself."
He embodies the spirit of a true Tennessee volunteer.
We signed early for Ryan at 17, and I said, "Ryan, joining the military is the best decision you can make for you, because that's who you are."
The staff of the Tennessee Department of Treasury were deeply affected by the death of Staff Sergeant Knauss and felt compelled to honor him in every way that we could.
Ryan prepared. He finished well because he knew his mission and he was ready.
Not a day goes by that I don't think about him. Sometimes you think, well, is this really real? And then, yeah, it is, sadly.
This portrait, which is here today, memorializes for all current and future students of Gibbs High School and the people of Corryton the life, service, and honor of the ultimate sacrifice made by Staff Sergeant Ryan Christian Knauss.
We are truly, truly honored to have Gibbs High School attached to Ryan Knauss. We're going to put it out visible out here in the hallways where folks can see it, our kids can see it.
There's language that will be included on a plaque to be added to the frame as it hangs in this school. I want to point out that the words "freedom is never free" are among those mentioned. It is crucial that Tennesseans continue to understand that the price of freedom and recognize the many contributions and sacrifices that Tennesseans have made for nearly 250 years to protect that freedom.
You know, it's a solemn occasion, but it's an important occasion because we want the family to know, we want the community to know, we want the world to know we will never, ever forget.
Honor you, and we deeply appreciate the sacrifice that you made and the sacrifice that Ryan made.
This resolution and this portrait will hang here at Gibbs High School where he walked the halls.
Thank you for sharing Ryan and for encouraging him to go into service.
That sacrifice that has been made cannot go for loss, because we need to know today we have to stand up and go make America better.
I think he'd get a big smile, but at some point you start thinking, really, all this for me? But yeah, it's a great honor.
The armed forces in 5 years had roughed out the jagged edges of a young boy into a man. And today we honor the man he became.
I was blessed to be his dad. Still am.